Hey guys, so to begin making our shampoo, of course we are going to be using some flax seeds, and also we'll be using MSM powder, which is a sulfur rich compound with anti-inflammatory properties. It's also believed to promote hair growth by increasing the anagen phase of the hair growth cycle. So yeah, we're also using castor oil. Castor oil is commonly known for promoting hair growth. I'll also add some essential oils to the mix. These oils are known to promote hair growth. And finally, I'll be using my African black soap. As you can see, I just boiled the flax seeds and extracted the gel, which I'm not going to be using for the shampoo. Yeah, so I'm going to pour the seeds now into a blender. And before I blend, I just want to cut my black soap because I need it to dissolve. Yeah, so I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces and place in the bowl, and then I'm going to add some warm water to it or hot water to it. This is to help it dissolve faster. Okay, so now I'm done blending the seeds. Now I'm just going to strain it to extract the milk, the flaxseed milk. If you notice, I'm using another sieve just because I feel like the holes in this one are smaller than the first one, and there were still some particles in the milk, so yeah, I wanted everything smooth. I'm adding some MSM powder into the bowl of dissolved black soap just because it's water soluble, so yeah, I want it to dissolve. This actually helps my nails too to grow. And then I'll go ahead to add the castor oil into the flaxseed milk. Now I'm just adding the dissolved black soap and MSM into the milk. Yeah, and then I'll just go ahead and mix it up. Finally, I'll be adding some essential oils into the mix, and I'm going to be using lavender essential oil. This is very good for hair growth, and I'm also going to use tea tree essential oil, which helps with dandruff and other scalp infections. So I'm done making the shampoo, and I'm just going to pour it in this container, which is easy for me to apply it onto my hair. So yeah. This shampoo is actually very moisturizing. It could pass as a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. I was able to actually detangle my hair with the shampoo. It made my hair very soft and moisturized. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.